Hello, Noy. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Wow, I'm so happy to see you tonight. How are you?
Yes,
Are you okay? Are you doing well?
I'm Ray.
Wow, you're great. Okay, so we are going to start with our lesson with a song. So
Yes.
I would like to say Xin chào Noy. Xin chào.
Hello.
Uh,
Tony, do you know how to say hello in different languages? Let's find out! In USA, it's hello, hello. In China, it's ni hao, ni hao. In France, it's bonjour, bonjour. It's great to say hello. In Japan, it's konnichiwa, konnichiwa. In Korea, it's annyeong, annyeong. In Italy, it's ciao, ciao. It's great to say hello. In Germany, it's Guten Tag, Guten Tag. In Spain, it's Hola, Hola. In UAE, it's Marhaban, Marhaba. It's great to say hello. Even though our languages are different, different, different. Even though our skin colors are different, different. It's great to see you. It's great to see you. In India, it's Namaste, Namaste. In Vietnam, it's Xin Chào, Xin Chào. In Thailand, it's Sawadika, Sawadika.
Men say Sawadee Krap.
I see. In Russia, it's Здравствуйте, Здравствуйте. In Kenya, it's Jambo, Jambo. In Hawaii, it's Aloha, Aloha. It's great to say hello. Even though our languages are different, different, different. Even though our skin colors are different, different. It's great to see you. It's nice to say hello, hello. It's fun to say hello, fun to say hello. It's great to say hello.
Okay. So what is your favorite language in saying hello? What's your favorite in saying hello? You like
Mm,
annyeong? No?
uh, I uh, I like the Warmicers.
Sawadika. Wow. Sawadika. Okay, we are going to start with our lesson now.
Grammar, be great.
Yes. We're going to learn be going to or verb. The verb be going to. So we have here a comic strip. So we can see two persons inside the house and there's a storm outside. So let's listen to their conversation.
Page 94.
Um,
Presentations.
funny stories.
I think it's going to
Yes.
rain. Are you going to go out today?
No, I'm not. I'm going to stay in this evening. I'm going to watch TV, play computer games, and listen to my new CD. I'm going to relax and have a good time.
No, you aren't. Take your umbrella. We're going to go out for a walk.
But why?
Look out of the window.
Oh no, it's Aunt Agatha.
Quick, let's go.
Okay, why do you think they are afraid with Aunt Agatha?
Oh, oh no! It's on Agatha.
So it sounds like a horror. It sounds like horror. Why do you think they are afraid with
uh,
Aunt Agatha?
C squared and and she very angry.
Oh, that's why they're afraid. So in here, you observe some be verb like it's going to
Two.
rain.
Going?
I'm going to relax. Okay, going to go out. We're going to go out. Another. I'm going to stay. I'm going to watch. Okay, so that is or that are the example of going to. So,
Girl versus verb.
mm-mm.
Go to. Go to.
Okay, let's going to complete the table. So, statement positive, I am going to play. So, we are going to play. He is going to play. For the negative, I am not going to play. We aren't going to play. He is not going to play. So when you are going to ask question, we say, am I going to play? Are we going to play? Is he going to play? Okay, like that. So we were, he's, I'm not, we're not, we are not, or we aren't, he is not or isn't. So the short form of I am, if you want to make I am
going to play.
yes, if you want to make I am into little words, you are going to write apostrophe and am. So if you are going to write we are, you that is a long word. You are going to make it shorter. You are going to write we apostrophe R E. So that is were. Okay. What do you think now here in the questions? What do you think is the answer in here?
Yes.
What letter should be the answer here?
I.
Okay, very good. How about this one?
R.
R. We, you,
They.
they. How about this?
Is.
Very good. Wow, you are so good. Now we are going to answer the questions. So, am I going to play? If the answer is yes, what do you think?
I am.
Mm-mm. So, when we say no, I'm
No,
not.
I'm not.
How about yes? We are. Or
Yes, we, you, they are.
how about
No,
in no?
we, you, they aren't.
Very good. Very good. How about is he, she, it going to play? Yes, he, she, it is.
Yes, he, she is. No, he, she isn't.
Very good. Oh, you are so good. You're doing so well. Wow, wonderful.
What you going shopping?
I'm not going shopping. Are you going shopping? Do you want to go shopping?
Shopping with my parent and baby.
Yes, wow. Are you enjoying? Do you enjoy
With
going shopping?
yes,
Wow.
with my family.
Yes, of course. If you go shopping with family, it's very fun. Okay.
Yes.
So we use going to make a prediction when something in present tells us that something is going
Is
to
going.
happen in
Oh.
the future. So for example, the present tells us something is going to happen. Example, look at those clouds. So in the present, there are black clouds. So we know that something is going to happen after the clouds. It's going to rain. So the be verb is
Oh.
it's, then
I
going to.
isn't going to rain.
Yes, very good. So when you say dark clouds, then you can say that it's going to rain. Another,
I isn't going to rain.
it
No.
isn't going to rain. When there is no black clouds, it isn't going to rain. To talk about our plans and intentions for the future. So if we have plans to go to another country or
Learn. Learn.
yes, if you have plans to go to the beach, so we say he's going to have a party or I'm going to go to the beach. I'm
Lunch.
going to study chemistry. What are you drawing? What is that? Okay, that is the use of going to. When you know that something happened in the future.
I'm going to study
Mm-hmm.
Remy
Chemistry. That is
chemistry.
chemistry. So
Oh.
time expression, we often use this time expression when we talk about the future. So we say, I'm going to study tomorrow. I'm going to go to the beach today. I'm going to go to another country next Saturday. So he's going to buy a bike next month. So the time expressions are today, tomorrow, next Saturday, or next week, or next month, this week, or this month, this year, in January, or in the summer, on Monday, on Tuesday, on
I
Wednesday.
go I go swim water park in July.
Wow. So you are going to go swimming on
Yeah,
July. Very good. That is the
swimming.
best
That the bed
example.
there uh is is the bear
Mm-mm.
holiday.
Wow. So are you excited for that?
I go with friend and family.
Wow. That is so exciting. I'm so happy for
I,
you.
oh,
You will have a good time on that day for sure.
Harry is good into harm. Oh.
Okay. Now, look at the screen. We have some pictures in there. So, what's going to happen? Look and complete. Use the verb going to and the verbs in the box. So, look at the picture. What do you think
Harry.
happened next? It's
Loud and our term.
Mhm. Look at the picture first in number 1. What do you think is happening in number 1? Okay, I'm going to give you an example. In number 1, there is a boy and a dark clouds.
Loud.
So, what do you think is the answer? Use going to. What do you think would happen next if there is a dark cloud?
Loud is loud has
When there is a dark cloud,
black cloud.
what is going to happen? It's going to
Rain.
Okay, it's going to rain. So when you see dark clouds, then it's going to rain. Okay, number 2.
He's going be up the ladder.
Again,
Um.
he's going to look.
He's going be up the ladder.
No, it's not.
No squid.
Your answer should be he's going to. What's the verb?
Going to north wind.
Going to be, going to drop,
North wind.
going to fall, going to kick, going to not win.
North wind.
He's going to not win off the ladder. No, it's not.
No. Going to kiss.
No. Look at the
Fall.
picture. Yes, fall. He's going to fall. Fall off the ladder. Number 3.
Dear him. North wind.
Oh, look at their team.
team going to North wind.
Okay. Their team.
Their team going to
aren't
going to North wind.
Okay, do not use not.
Yeah. Okay.
So not is aren't. Not is aren't. Their team aren't going to win.
School start at a 8:30 o'clock. She is kids She is uh she is going to play.
She's going to be.
To be late.
Yes. Another, number 5.
She is going to rob.
Okay, she's going to drop the cake.
Yeah.
Wow,
His-
nice.
He is going to kick the ball.
Very good. He's going to kick the ball. Wow, you're so good. So he's going to fall. So their team isn't going to win. She's going to be late. She's going to drop and he's going to kick. Very good.
Oh, wow.
You're doing so well.
Yeah. I'm surprised.
Yeah. So what is Beth going to do next week? Look
Oh,
at her
where's
notes and complete the questions with going to, then answer them. Okay, look at the notes. On Monday, she finished report for school paper. Tuesday, study for English test. Wednesday, go to the hairdressers at 6 p.m. Thursday, buy present for Peter. Friday, meet Harry at Sports Center at 5 p.m. Saturday, have lunch with Angela at 1 p.m. And Sunday, visit Bob. So, what is Beth going to do next week? Number 1.
Sunday?
Okay, the answer is
Sunday?
visit her uncle on Sunday.
Visit for her uncle on Sunday.
Okay, let's see. So, is she, the question first, is she going to
Is
visit her uncle on Sunday? So, is she going to visit her uncle on Sunday?
Oh.
What's the answer? No?
Yes. Wishes for.
What's the answer in number 1? Is she going to visit her uncle? Yes or no?
Yes, she is.
She is. Okay, number 2. Write your answer number 2. What is the question in number 2?
Is is she going to fishing?
Fishing or finish?
Fitness.
So your answer is she
She's
going?
going to fitness.
Okay. Is she going to finish her report on Wednesday? What's the answer?
Yes.
Are you
She
sure?
is.
On Wednesday. Is she
No.
Okay, no.
No, she isn't.
Very good. Number 3.
He's
Is
going to buy he's going to buy.
is that correct? Is teacher writing your answer
Okay.
correct? Is she?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, she is.
Okay, number 4.
Is a he's
What is
a
that? Is
she
okay, she.
Miss
Going to
she going to Miss Harry on Friday.
So is she going to meet Harry on Friday?
Yes. Yes. CE.
Okay, number 5.
Is she she's have going
Again?
to have lunch with Agatha on Monday? No, she isn't.
Okay, number 6.
Is she's going to study for her test on Tuesday? Yes, she is.
Number 7.
Is she going to go to the Hardishes on Saturday? No, she isn't.
Okay, let's see. Is she going to finish? No, she isn't. Is she going to buy? Yes, she is. Is she going to meet? Yes, she is. Is she going to have? No, she isn't. Is she going to study? Yes, she is. Is she going to go? No, she isn't. Wow, another perfect
Wow,
score.
I'm surprised.
Yes, you're so right. Teacher is so proud of you. You are doing so well. Okay, read and complete with going to. Okay, look at number 1. What
What was is going
is it is?
what is going to
I think it's
to
are.
do as the weekend?
Let's see. What are, not what is.
Yeah.
What are you going to do at the weekend? What do you think is the answer?
I'm going to the, go to the cinema with Tim.
Okay. I'm going to go to the cinema with Tim. So
Yeah.
next,
What film? What film are you? What film
baho lagi
are
rin.
you see
Going.
going to see?
Okay, very good. We
We are we are going to see.
Okay, we're going to see the new Bond film. Number 2.
The new porn film. Oh, my cousin are
Are or is? Is it plural or
is
singular? Okay,
is
is
going fishes.
going to.
Fishes.
Very
A
good.
thorn. A thorn. How long? How long are how long is how long is she going to stay?
Wow. How long is she going to stay? For a week.
Wow. What are you going to do with her?
Very good.
We are going to go shopping in London.
Wow, that is wonderful. Very good. Number 3.
Are you going to go anywhere in the school holiday? Yes, I yes I am going to go to our Disney with my family.
Very good.
Where are you going to stay?
We stay.
We oh
I think there is a line.
okay.
There is a line here.
We are.
What's the
We are.
answer?
We aren't going to stay in a hotel.
Very good. Okay, and last, we
We are going to go camping.
very good. So you're so good.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to do or going to
Again.
see. We're going to see is going to visit. Is she going to stay? Are you going to go? Okay, are you going to go again? Are you going to go? I am going to go. Are you going to stay? We're going to go. Very good. So all your answers are correct.
Wow! I'm so
Wow.
bright.
You're so bright. You're so brilliant.
Yeah.
A writing practice. So look, read, and write. Harry's class is preparing for the school fair. Read Harry's notes and complete his email. Okay, write your answer. So I want you to write your answer. In his notes, Spring School Fair on May 6th. Peter and Harry will paint the stalls. Kevin and Diana will sell second-hand
Maybe
books.
Kevin
Hmm?
and Diana sell second hand.
So how to say that? Use
Uh,
going to.
going to.
Okay, write your
Kevin
answer.
and Diana going to
What is the
sell
be verb? What is the be? Is it
hand.
is? Is it is, are,
Are.
is, or are? Okay, you write your answer,
Are.
please. Write your answer because the task said you are going to write.
Yeah.
Okay. So Kevin and Diana are going to sell second-hand books. Okay, next, Brian and Tina.
Tina. Brian. There.
Okay, so Brian and Tina are going to make paper kites. Very good. Who is next with Brian and Tina?
Tom.
Okay, Tom. Okay, you're right.
Tom. Vicky ran left the world life. Okay.
Okay, how you are going to write Tom here?
Yes. Tom.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Okay, Tom, bring sound system. Where is B going to?
Or.
Is or are plus going to.
Okay.
Okay, Tom is going to bring sound system. Very good. Correct. Next.
Um. Oh, here. Oh,
Vicky. Is this the correct word?
oh. You can help me?
Mm-hmm. What is your answer?
Music. Oh,
What's your answer?
um, Vicky, Ryan, Rolling.
What is the word between Vicky and Brian? What is the
Yeah.
word?
Bird.
What is the word here in between? Are we going to
Um,
put the plus? And very good. Vicky and
and Ryan
Brian
are
are
going to
going to
play music.
Very good. Okay, next. Next.
Arla's going to
What's the
celebrate
B?
at work.
What's the B?
Is
Is
going
going
to celebrate and food.
last.
The world's flag is
Is
R.
Mhm.
Lean up, going to lean up after the fair.
Mao na ma.
Prayer.
Very good.
Oh.
Okay, Vicky and Brian going to play music, sell drinks, the whole class. Okay, very good. So you're correct.
Wow. I'm
Wow.
so bright.
You're so bright, of course. So
Yes. This year. Uh, this is large.
Mm-mm.
Correct. All
Mm-mm.
answer.
Yes, you are correct. All the answers.
I'm very surprised.
Yeah, I'm very surprised also. So I'm going to give you a good job clap for that. G-O-O-D-J-O-B. G-O-O-D-J-O-B. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Bye,
Goodbye, Noy.
teacher.